Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us solve question number 36, NEET Physics paper 2015. Question number 36. Two spherical bodies of mass m and 5m, radii r and 2r. There is this mass m, radius is r, mass is m. There is another whose radius is 2r, so it is double the radius, 2r, and mass is 5 times 5m. These two spherical bodies are released in free space. So this is a free space. So there is no force acting on these two objects except their mutual force of attractions, with initial separation between their centers equals to 12 r. That means from center to center this distance is 12 r. So in this situation they are released. So this small sphere, large sphere, distance of separation center to center 2 r and released. If they are released, obviously they will move towards each other because force on this will be towards this side and force on this object will be this side because they will attract each other. So this one will pull this in this direction, so it will move in this sense, and this will also move in this sense, so they'll move and collide. It says that if they attract each other due to gravitational force only, obviously that is only gravitational force according to Newton's laws of gravitation, then the distance covered by the smaller body, means this one, before collision is. So that means in the separation from center to center 2r, if they are released, they will move like this and collide. Obviously, the rate at which they will move, the acceleration is not same. You cannot say they will move equal distance and then collide because of the different masses. So acceleration, because the forces will be same, the mass is less, so acceleration will be more. So in this case, this will move faster, so it will cover more distance, and this one will cover less distance, and they will collide somewhere here. So you to find how much distance this smaller mass will move before during the collision or before they collide. Suppose that, how to solve this question? Basically, force on this is towards right and force on this is also towards left. These forces are equal in magnitude, and we know that the force is given by G, product of the masses, that is 5m square, divided by the square of the distance, that is 12r the whole square. This is the force that will act on each of these objects, but because the masses are different, so acceleration will be different. Because it is a gravity-free space, so the net force acting on the two bodies in the system consisting of two particles, the net force is 0. So in the absence of net external force, the momentum of the system will remain conserved. And we can say that in this situation, when there is no external force, only mutual force of attractions, and therefore the center of mass of this system will not change. The center of mass of the system will not change, then where suppose that and they will move closer and hit or collide. Suppose this moves by a distance x and it reaches up to here. This moves by a distance some distance and it will meet here. This has suppose covered this distance. This has suppose covered this distance. So during their collision, the distance of separations between their centers, because this radius is r, this radius is 2r, so this is 2r, this is r, so this center to center distance is 3r. So from 12r they will approach each other, so during collision or when they collide, the center to center distance will be 3r. So from this 12R to 3R, so the net distance they have to cover together is 9R. So the net distance traveled by both is 12R minus 3R, because this is the present situation, this is the final situation. So this situation is possible if this distance is covered, that is 9R. So this is the situation. Then this 9R, out of this 9R, because the center of mass will remain at rest in the absence of net external force, the center of mass of the system will remain at rest in the absence of net external force. The center of mass of the system will remain stationary. That means initially, suppose this is the center of mass of the two individual spheres, and suppose the center of mass is here, this is the center of mass initially. Then these two objects are nearing each other. Suppose this moves by this distance and this moves by this distance, and they collide somewhere here. Then the center of mass again will be at the same point. Center of mass will be at the same point. So this center of mass is not going to change, because there is no external, because the internal forces cannot change the center of mass of the system. So this will rest, this will be there. So how much distance this moves here? Suppose this is x. This travels by a distance x. This m1 first mass moves by a distance x, and the second mass m2 moves by a distance, suppose x. This is now out of this. This is suppose this is x1, this is x2. So this is m1 x1, this is m2 x2. So this equation you can use, that m1 x1 must be equal to m2 x2, because the center of mass is at rest. In this situation, the first mass is m. Suppose this moves by a distance x, then the second mass 5m will move. How much distance it will move? Out of this 9r distance, x is moved by this, the remaining distance will be moved by the second mass, that is 5m mass. Okay, because the net distance will be 9r. If I solve this, then m will cancel. Then x is 5 into 9r minus x. This is 45r minus 5x is x here. So 5x will come down to this side, because 6x is 45r. So x becomes 45r divided by 6. 3 2s are 6 and 3 is 15r. So the x is this, and from here I write x is 7.5r. This is the smaller mass which is moving, the displacement of the smaller mass is x. So what distance the smaller mass moves? The smaller mass moves by distance x. So, and that x is 7.5r. So that means initially center to center distance was 12r. This mass is m, this mass is 5m. Suppose the center is here, center of mass of the system is here, that will remain same. And when these two mass, this will move toward this side, and this will move toward this side and collide somewhere. The distance this mass will move is 7.5r. So obviously this has to move by the remaining distance, that is 1.5r. So that the sum is 9r. Okay, so this will move by 1.5r, this will move by 7.5r. The total distance moved is now 9r, and so that this will be at rest. Now this is the answer that the smaller mass will move by this distance, and if I see the options, then the answer should be 7.5 r, and option number 1 is correct, which is 7.5 r. Okay, thank you.